2, 3. So guys, today is my boy's birthday. Let's see what he's doing. Come with me. Birthday boy. How many years? 5 years to make 30. Are we change? People are growing old.
Turned 25 years. But I think I was only 25 when this year started. 2020 when
My birthday, I just wait for my birthday, but when the new year begins, we have entered the new year.
If you're someone who waits to reach that month when you're born, and then you start so you're turned 25, whatever, yeah, that's like a matrix we need to escape. I'm already 25 when this year started, guys. But again, I appreciate that I was born on this date, May 5th. It's a blessed day, you know. Many great guys are born on this day, you know. And I'm grateful to be part of this. Thank God for my life.
So for us, we are not great. We are not born on fame.
I thank my mom for giving birth to me and then putting me in this nice world. You can see this.
This nice world. This nice world.
But again, I appreciate my guys that I've met my way on ever since I started this journey of life. I've met so many people, like my man behind this camera, my brother, and actually guys, I'm South Sudanese, so if you didn't know,
The reason that's why women say men can lie. Men can lie.
But again, guys, let's see how this day goes. Make sure to subscribe if you're new around here, and you can send me some Bitcoin, you know.
Yeah. So if you have money, we don't want nyash. It's going to be our birthday today. Have a nice day. Make sure you subscribe.
Show them the TV. Show them the TV. Subscribe. Show them the TV. Guys, go subscribe.
Go subscribe. See first Mugaga. Mugaga first. So for us, we are following this guy here. We want to have money. We want to be blessed like this guy. So make sure you subscribe, guys. Hit the like button and also share. A day in life, it's our birthday, so see how we are going to celebrate the day. No.
Let's first push out for a walk.
Let's go, man.
My nigga. Guys, we are back to the river. I almost slipped and slided into this river, but the good thing I know how to swim. So this water wouldn't do any injustice to me. I would save myself, but again, this water looks calm, but it's moving way too fast. Look at that. It looks calm, but it's moving way too fast. Anyone can guess this river? In the comments below, guys, comment. This water looks very calm but very dangerous. This is how the markets look like. When you're trying to get money from there, the moment you jump in,
This is gold.
they take you. Guys,
That is gold.
the moment you jump into the markets, your money goes. But as you're sitting here, you're like, should I jump in? Should I not? Should I jump in? Should I not? The moment you jump in, like even just here, where you see it's come, that water is very deep and very fast. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that is gold.
And you can't even see guys are there scalping.
They're scalping,
Guys
trying
are
to
there
catch
scalping,
fish.
Yeah. There are even some birds there, they're scalping Euro USD. You know? Then there are we big boys that we are going to jump in with the 10 knot size. You either go or you come back with some fish. But again, guys, this is something that you should always do. Like, you need to always go from like that too much noise and then just come somewhere, relax, breathe fresh air. This is all fresh air, guys. No cars, no nothing, just water. Listening to this nice noise, not listening to every time you're having earpods in your ears, listening to that loud ass music. Anyway, guys, let's head back to the house. That was all for now. The sunshine can but. My guy, what's up, my G? Nah. Thanks, my G. Thanks a lot. Send me some money. Send me one Bitcoin.
One Bitcoin.
My G. I know. You're turning it down, turning 25, man. So, how fast? Bro, good. I'm having breakfast, but I appreciate, man. I'm having breakfast right now. Yeah. Don't be in the markets today. We have NFP. We have NFP today. Yeah. Trade surf. Bitcoin is it is. Still called Bitcoin, but one of my best students, my G Klaus. Coffee is good for your health. You should always start off the day with coffee. Some people, what did you just start? It's not good. How are our trades? Money is coming. My boy is making money for me today. To give to me. Yeah? He's making money with gold, guys. Yesterday I told you gold is the best pair to trade. It can either break you or it can make you.
Break you or make you. This world is not for the weak. Yeah. So you better wake up and do something before they do you.
But guys, it's currently it has clock 10. So meaning the London session has just opened. So right here we need to see some fire. When the London session opens, you see the market trending down, you can see. You see, this is a real account, guys. There's no what? Bluffing. So let's see how fast this market trends down. We may make 10 bands today.
Imagine, hey God. You can't swim after making some money. Assalamu alaikum.
Alright, peace.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, we're back at the house. We did a lot of activities. This is the meaning of the body is tired but the mind is not tired. The body wants to sleep but my guy pulled out a computer there. You see the computer? The computer is there to start and analyze markets. But again guys, we had a really long day. Yeah. And thank you for the birthday wishes. My English with me. Thank you for the birthday wishes. Yeah, I'm so tired. To be honest, guys, it was a crazy day.
Weekend.
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah, we're going to sleep tomorrow.
we made some money. Most of the guys in the VIP made money of the cut JPY trade that Nixon sent. Let's see. Probably we're just going to cut some cake, play some games, and we have fun. Yeah. But again, guys, as you can see, just home relaxed, and probably going to even shoot another video about a strategy that my boy saw in the market. So, but again, guys, we're so tired. Like we are so tired. Like I don't know, you can't see it on my face because we as men, we never want to show weakness. You know, when you tell someone that I'm tired, that's showing weakness. You know, however much we need to be we need to act human, or we need to be human. But again, as a man, you can't show emotions. You know, it has to be the gangster stuff. But again, my guys, again, thank you for the birthday wishes. It means a lot. I've seen all the messages. Though I haven't seen money, guys, you like to send your fellow men money. You don't just wish them. No? Yeah, the money will make more sense by then, no? But it's just been a crazy day, wallahi. It's been a crazy day. But again, thank God for life. Another year added to my life. 25 years. Let's see what we can do in this other 365 days. Let's get $365 million. Yeah. So since I've made 25 years now, what I want is $25 million. You know. So actually, the older you get, the more the more you have to put in.
The more problems, the more hassle.
Yeah. But again, let's see how things go. But again, guys, I need 25 million. If you don't see me, partying. If you don't see me partying, you know I need $25 million. You can't be 25 and you don't have $25 million. It can be 25 million, of course not shillings, so that's like $6,000.
25 million, like, yeah, 6. How much? Happy birthday, Basil Junior. Bagenda. Happy birthday, my guy. This is sugar. You won't eat sugar. You're saying I'm not eat sugar. You will eat sugar, but where is the knife? He's going to eat it. Alright, guys. Alright. Time for us.
We're going to cut the cake, man. Yeah, come on.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Where is money?
Happy birthday, dear Junior. Happy birthday to you.
Calm down, we are coming. 1, 2, 3.
Amaji, put your hand.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, 25 is crazy, brother. Let's see.
Let's see how
More
the
money,
guys
more
go.
blessings.
Oh yeah, more money.
Great
People are
people.
talking. More money, more blessing, more
Blessing. Wait, I get out.
Oh my god, oh gosh.
Anyway, guys, please make sure to subscribe and see you next.